Pinterest is currently sending me thousands of free visitors every single month, and I'm converting them into affiliate commissions using AI. No paid ads, no complicated websites, no showing my face, just simple AI powered system that works 24 hours a day. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method so that any beginner can copy this starting today. Now look, I already have the results. This is my affiliate account dashboard and I have made $39,271 in this month, okay? And just last month I have made $38,672 and it's paid. This is my invoice. This is a recent payment request details. As you guys can see, it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. So anyway, I know how this business works and I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years, okay? But first, guys, most people using Pinterest for affiliate marketing right now are doing it completely wrong. They are wasting their time and making $0. What I'm about to show you in this new method I'm using with AI in 2026, that's working right now. And I have never seen anyone else teaching this exact system. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you every single step, including the AI tool that does most of hard work for you automatically, okay? So for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using AI, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. You need to join an affiliate marketing program. So for me, I'm working with Fiverr affiliates. So for if you want to join Fiverr affiliates, super easy. Go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website, okay? You guys can scroll down so you guys can check their commission plan because they are really paying good commissions. So for pro services, for example, because we will start promoting services, you guys can earn up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy commissions, okay? The best part is that they keep paying you guys 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share. You can turn this into a passive income, okay? The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is good, okay? Anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, go back over here and click on join now, okay? It's gonna take you to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, and account type, make it private. They will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes, okay? And pay close attention here. So to get your account approved fast, you need to go and first create your Pinterest business account, okay? You can create any social media profile page that you want to use to promote those Fiverr services, okay? So for example, in this video, we will use Pinterest. So what you will do is you can go to Pinterest, create a Pinterest business account and upload at least up to 5 Pinterest pins about Fiverr services, okay? Then you can put your Pinterest profile link here, and so they can, if they check your the traffic source that you want to use to promote your Fiverr services, they will see that you have already Pinterest business account and you have already pins about Fiverr services, so they can get your account approved fast, okay? Anyway, scroll down more, click on country, choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country, okay? Click here and choose your language. Once you finish, if you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Click on next and it's super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates homepage, okay? Your Fiverr affiliates homepage or your Fiverr affiliates dashboard, okay? So what you will do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. Super easy. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest business account, click on the first link, sign up using your email address, Just follow the steps that they will share with you. It's super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. So this will be your Pinterest account, okay? Your Pinterest homepage, okay? Pinterest is a gold mine for affiliate marketers, okay? Because guys, Pinterest is getting 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? The best part is that Pinterest is search engine platform. So it's like Google and it's like YouTube. Since it's a search engine platform, if you are using good SEO, your pins can keep getting traffic for years, okay? You just need to use good SEO. It doesn't matter. You don't need to focus on growing your followers. Since it's a search engine platform, what you need to focus on as a beginner is your SEO, your keyword that you will use in your Pinterest pins. So what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Pinterest, okay? And you need to promote services that has high demand. You need to promote trending services. You need to promote services that will help people to grow their businesses, that solve problems. You cannot keep guessing and choose services randomly. You will make $0 with this, okay? Pay close attention here. So what you will do, you will go back to your homepage on Fiverr, okay? So for you as a beginner, you don't know what to promote. So here is what you will do. You will click here on trending. You see? Fiverr, they have this option, trending, and you will see here all the services that are trending right now, that people are paying for, services that has high demand, okay? So for example, like this one, you see book design, book editing, we have a lot. We have e-commerce and drop shipping, Shopify, website design, e-commerce marketing, UGC videos, and so much more. Also AI services, guys, they are trending and they have high demand, like AI agents. Also those services, they are trending, okay, and people are paying for, okay? Anyway, let's pick one. Just choose one. For example, let's pick the first one, book design. Click on this service as an example like this. Just click on book design, scroll down, and here you go. You will see here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. You will find a lot of sellers. So what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer is you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 sellers and top rated sellers and pro sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, okay? That's how you can win. If you want to make commissions, choose good sellers, okay? Let's pick one as an example. Book, like this one. I think this one is a good one. Book cover design. This seller, guys, is top rated seller. He has over 5,000 reviews, which is good. So I will choose this one. I will just click on his service like this, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. What you will do next is you will copy the link of this seller. You guys can see that people already paying, just this one single seller, 3 orders in queue, and over 5,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller, okay? Do you see this here? Do you see the numbers, okay? So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr homepage, okay? To your Fiverr affiliate homepage. Click here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you need to promote this link on Pinterest, okay? By the way, guys, for me, I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan and Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, always you will copy your affiliate link from here, okay? If you are promoting level 1, level 2, top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here, okay? It's super easy and simple. And for people who want to take this business seriously, I do have an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you can use AI to create a faceless content that you can use to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Quora, Reddit, and more. Completely done by AI, because what's working right now is AI. If you are not using AI in your affiliate marketing business, you can't scale and you can't grow. You should start using AI. It's very, very important, okay? If you want to take it seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details, okay? Also, you get access to me and my team, so we will keep following up with you, so to make sure you are applying the system correctly and you are doing everything good, okay? If you want to take it seriously, like I said, just reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description and I'll send you all the details, okay? Anyway, so what we will do, like I said, we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. We will go to Pinterest, guys, and we will click on home feed and click on create pin. We need to create a good SEO optimized pin that we will use to promote this Fiverr service, okay? So what we will do next is we will start using AI, okay? So here is what you will do. You will go to ChatGPT, okay, and ask him to give you a viral prompt to send to Google Gemini to create high quality Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote book design service on Pinterest, okay? And ChatGPT will give you this prompt, viral good prompt, as you guys can see. Just copy this prompt like this and go back to Google Gemini, okay? You can go and search for Google Gemini AI on Google. You can sign up using your email address. It's super easy, simple. Once you finish, this will be your home page. You will click here on tools and choose create image, okay? Like this, and click here and paste your prompt, okay? Then click over here to get your Pinterest pin picture, okay? And Google Gemini will started creating your image and you will get a high quality image that you guys can use to promote book design service on Pinterest as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. And here you go, guys. Do you see? That's really amazing. It's done just in few seconds, okay? So here you go. You will click here to download this picture to your laptop and go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload your picture, okay? About book design. Here you go. Do you see this? That's really good. We need a title and we need description. So what we will do is we will go back to Google Gemini. Just go back to Google Gemini and ask him to give me SEO optimized. Just go back to Google Gemini and ask him, guys, to give you SEO optimized Pinterest pin title for this service and Pinterest pin description, and mention in the pin description that this is an affiliate. This is super important so you can avoid a banned account, okay? So here you go. This is Pinterest pin title, professional book design, turn your book into bestseller. This is really good. Copy this title and put this title here, okay? Go back to Google Gemini. This is your description. You see this? Transform. Here you go. This is disclosure. This post contain affiliate links. If you make a purchase through these links, I might earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. Copy this, go back to Pinterest, put this description here, okay? Go back to Google Gemini. This is your hashtags. You guys can copy those keywords and go back to Pinterest and put also those keywords in your description like this, okay? Okay, it's too much long. I will delete this part, okay? And here you go. So what you will do next, you will scroll down and here you need to put your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this and copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. I want you to pay close attention here. Click on create. If you don't have a board, click on create a board. And in each board, please promote one specific niche. Don't promote different niches in one board. If you are doing this, Pinterest will not understand your content and you will make zero commission and you will get zero traffic, and you can create limited boards, okay? So anyway, it's clear. So for me, I will choose, for example, this one. This is not my main account. I'm using this account to show you guys how you can do it, okay? So let's choose just this one. And here you can put tags, okay? They are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description. If you are using good keyword in your title, good keyword in your description, your pin will rank higher on Pinterest search and you can get traffic and you can turn this traffic into affiliate commissions, okay? So once you finish, click here on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, okay? You can create content just by AI, you guys can see. And if you want to take this business seriously, like I said, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.